Fuck you, man. Yo, chill. Yo, fuck chill. Check yourself, Q. You gotta snap some collars and let them motherfuckers know you there to take them out anytime you feel like it. You gotta get the ground beneath your feet, partner. Get the wind behind your back and go out in the blaze if you got to. Otherwise, you ain't shit. You might as well be dead your damn self.
It's a full-time job, not shoot niggas. You niggas pussy, a bunch of cute niggas. Swear to my God, you worth nothing. You a fuck boy, pushing my button. Full-time job, not shoot niggas. You niggas pussy, a bunch of cute niggas. Swear to my God, you worth nothing. You a fuck boy, pushing my button. I'm stamped with approval, my cash flow voodoo. See me on these streets and you don't even gotta Google. Bracelet on my wrist, look, sound like a Rubik's Cube. These niggas only acting gigs.
Look here, like, hold up.
This shit straight from the muscle.
Yeah. Independent.
Independent, straight from the streets, man. Niggas like 40 deep walking around, all niggas in jail, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know, brother doing
Free
life.
big guy,
you know
man. Free Costco, man.
You know, most of our team in jail, man, post up, real street niggas, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, for real.
Okay.
You know, this rap shit don't work, you know, we take it back to my boy.
Already did. Count new money every day.
New money every day.
Definitely, niggas in the street.
Yeah.
In the street all day, every day. Make it happen.
Okay.
Niggas ain't putting on for their city, they in the way right now. I'm telling you that real tough, man. They in the way. You gotta put on for your city every day. You don't put on for your city, man, like I told you, you in the way, man. Don't even come outside, stay in the house, man. With your kids and shit.
Y'all niggas yo, listen, man, let me get this. Put that money up, man. Put your money up behind us, man, and you're gonna see your money quadruple. Niggas don't wanna put their money up, we're gonna put our own money up, and then when we quadruple, y'all niggas ain't gonna be on the plate.
We gonna make y'all look stupid on the block.
Keep stalling and keep waiting until we take it
You already make them look
to the finish line and wanna give it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how niggas is, man.
Already look stupid.
Yeah, I done been a music man and gripped some of y'all music out there a couple times, man.
Yeah, you know, that's the grind, man. That shit straight from the street, man. No major label. Trap money, my boy. Yo, y'all want to go buy y'all cars and y'all want to go buy whatever the fuck y'all buying, spend all your money on girls and shit. Nigga, we invest in this shit. Nigga, and post up. Nigga. You know what I'm saying? Just to let them know, man. Music coming out of the word, man. Small town, man.
Yeah.
I mean, just trying to put a small town on the map, man. This shit ain't hard, man. This shit like the live, man. They doing the live, man. We still there though, we the pillars though, we still survive.
I see that, man. I definitely see that, man.
That's a blessing too, man. You know, like we ain't gonna be all in the camera talking all gangster shit, cause we ain't camera killers. All y'all niggas talking all gangster all in the camera. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas is camera killers, man. Stop killing the camera, dog. You know what I'm saying? You a real street nigga, you don't gotta be acting all tough all on fucking camera, nigga. You getting money, you don't gotta be doing all that extra shit, nigga. Like, listen, niggas swag, man. Niggas swag on 100 million in the birds. Hold up, you know what I mean? Gucci, you know what I mean? Niggas
Okay.
I mean, George, that's what we come up here. Like, you get it in. Niggas icy and everything, you know what I'm saying? Low is on 100,000 right here, frozen, you see? Like, this is real shit. This ain't no games like, you know what I mean? So, you know, get your swag and everything is on 100, you know what I mean? Key to the city, man. I just want to put that on there, man.
Getting high in the men's bathroom with women in.
All kinds of stuff. You know the ladies, you know what I'm saying? You see how they doing it, you know what I mean? Pimp girls, hold it the fuck down, you know what I'm saying? They in the building. Going on that perk, you know what I mean?
So y'all got some music out there, niggas can go cop.
Yeah,
Like,
I got a CD costing all the money. You know what I mean? We gave it all out. I think they gave it all. Y'all gave them all out, right? Yeah, that's what's up. Probably about to give them all.
I smell the money high too, man.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why
y'all get a load of that.
we got Pete Thug, Reapply the Pressure Part 2. That's our all mixed CDs. You know what I mean? At the Music Man. You know what I'm saying? You can log on. That website he told you a little bit earlier. Get on that website. Check the music out, man.
one more time for those that don't, you know, that miss.
www.myspace.com/DAPOSTMEN. The Postman.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I mean, once again, your boy Court, you know what I mean? Doing it from the muscle. Your man Pt1, holding it down. Post up, man. We the last two pillars standing, man, but we still holding it down. We still got all the goons. Still got the niggas that's doing what they do, man. You know what I mean?
Y'all got The rap battle joints, the Harrisburg Part 1 and 2, that was real big.
Yeah, we did
part two.
Yeah, we did part 2.
Okay.
You know, the boy Star, he did the first one. He did the second one because we ain't like the way it was managed, the way it was being handled. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's been the buzz a little bit going
So we
around.
went on and took our money, put our money up. Got my man with Knuckle Up Entertainment, your man Big DJ, Big Al. He got got with him. So him like, yo, listen, man, we're gonna do this shit again. We're gonna provide. The boy Ness was there, a couple other people.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, a lot of people that's.
Yeah, I was in there that night. It was heavy in that
Yeah,
joint.
you know, that's how we do. We organize it, man. We do that for the bird and for the small towns everywhere.
Yeah.
We come from that texture, red and blue Challenger, Woody Woodpecker, red and black J's make them hop like checkers. Early bird for the worm, bro. Cook that breakfast. Big face greenbacks, apple color Coogee, clientele fish scale, raw than sushi. Don't buy your work from him. His work be poopy. Exotic in my pocket, got your girl turning groupie. White girl, small packs, call them Lucy's. Lifestyle retarded like a Rain Man movie. My whips retarded, my chicks retarded. Baby mama, young thing, all my chicks retarded.
You know,
Hold on. State your status right now.
Oh, bro, look, representing for Little O, representing for Big O.
Big O, free Big O, man.
5 to 10, he good. Said, I stay on the block, fresh than the motherfucker, fitted real low, so I can't see these other suckers. The P on that stand for Pennsylvania. If you P on that, best believe your boy you bang ya. No hazards, no cautions, just straight up danger. Long barrel gun looking like a old school Ranger. Park you on the block like a old school Ranger. Thinking you a stack, then your boy will change ya. Straight to a Bernie Mac. That's $1 bill. We throw clips like axe, but this is really real. And we really trill. And we reppin' for the hood and the projects and the parks, cause that's all set. Nah, I mean, that's what it is.
Right there. Go on.
Get him, brother.
Dougie Pacino. Dougie Paul Bunn, pounds of that lumber. Chain so retarded, I call it dumb and dumber. Tilting my hat, bald head, Elmer Fudd. Came in the truck the same color of the bloods. New pair of Adidas, hot like a fever. Cash coming all night, fast like a cheetah. Dougie the water boy, call him Aquafina. Bobby Boucher, I'm doing the ballerina. I'm a good claw, man, I'm a good boss. And I understand money, if you broke, get lost. See the duffel bag and it's full of dirty laundry. Full of dirty laundry. It's full of dirty laundry. Brand new Coochie, peanut butter Timberland. Feel baby dough boy on the marshmallow man. Everything brand new. My car, brand new. My clothes, brand new. My hoes, brand new. Every dollar earn it is. And you know who turn it is. All my partners holding bricks like construction services. 24 cent towel, all white cotton ball, white cranberry, and it look like tartar sauce. Trying to bubble like foam. And I got my city calling on my cell phone. I'm Mr. Gymnastics, House of Gymnasium, trying to hit the ball out the motherfucking stadium. Every day is Christmas, I'm smoking on Christmas trees. And I got a bad bitch that bag up my Christmas trees. Ever since 13, homie, I been stacking G's. And my eyes leaning low, it look like a Japanese.
Something about uptown niggas. You know what I mean? Uptown niggas, them niggas get their money, them niggas is on some bread shit. But look, Oxford Street is right on the next block. Schuylkill is right here, and Radnor Street's up there. Them niggas are like a block and a half from each other, and them niggas go to war with each other like that.
Definitely.
That's how that shit is. Seneca is another block, that's another block now. Them niggas go to war with each other. You know
Then it be different other hoods from Gary Street, Oxford, from Radnor.
So Bill, cuz, where we at, man?
We on Ox for them hating ass niggas that can suck our dick.
Definitely.
Fucking faggots.
Yo, man, tell niggas they don't want it, man.
Niggas definitely don't want it, man.
What goes on around this hood, man? You got walkers through here, man. Niggas think, I mean, Harrisburg don't got too many hoods. We suburb niggas and shit or something.
Man, sign right there, cuz we on 6 and Ox, man. You know, niggas just chilling it.
Down. You ain't trying to get up on? So what's up with them niggas, man, that want to come through and, you know what I mean, talk about the birds and, you know what I mean, tell niggas to come through where and say that shit. Definitely. Definitely. know what I mean? Different hood, different done. You know what I mean? What happens if niggas come through though? You know what I mean? So niggas just no rap, ain't too much. Yeah. Feel that. Yeah. No doubt. Cuz, man, keep that shit grimy, you know what I mean? The fuck? Let them niggas know.
That on Stonewall,
Definitely.
Fort Eye, representing HBG, Uptown, U-Town fans, Worldwide, Harrisburg. Here it is.
Let them niggas know it ain't sweet out here, man. Some niggas come through a 6 and
Yeah,
off.
come through 6 and off. Want something? Yeah, real wreck right here, my nigga. Real wreck.
Put in work.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, man. Niggas know it ain't sweet and they ain't sweet around here.
Not at all. All my little, my squad, Fort Eye, representing. Right here. That's it. That's what you know, my nigga.
State your name, people.
You know, RG, Daddy.
What goes on around here, man? What goes on around uptown, man? What's up? We uptown right now. What goes on uptown?
Shots. Stab, niggas get plugged. You ain't fucking your girl right, you fucking employee.
Yeah, I mean, uptown definitely does it. Yeah, man, that's some real shit. Niggas just do it. So is it fun around here? I mean, like, you know, can niggas come around here and post up and get money from out of town, uptown? Is it like sweet around here or something?
Nah, it ain't sweet. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do.
I mean, fucked up situation, you know what I mean? Definitely was a fucked up situation. Right now, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?